Room tour of Finest Punta Cana. So as soon as you enter, you're gonna have a door to your right, which you're gonna be able to place some dirty dishes from the room service that you're gonna order. Because again, all inclusive, right? Everything's inclusive. This is a really modern hotel. Here are your switches in case you want do not disturb room service. You don't have to be putting that paper in the door. No, everything is here and controlled. You have your climate control here. Again, as soon as you enter, you're gonna be amazed with the modernness of this room. To your right, you're gonna have a nice open closet to store your luggage. You're gonna have 2 robes here, and you're gonna have a safe. Really nice closet. You're gonna have your steamer, extra blankets, and a lot of room for the family. Now the main section here, you're gonna have your king size bed. You're gonna have a nice table, another table. Not really sure why, because you're not gonna be doing any work here. Nice king size bed, and your phone for room service, your climate control, everything here, very modern hotel. And then you have your restroom here, the bathroom, right? You have 2 sinks, right? You have your nice mirror for the ladies. Really clean in case you forgot toothpaste, they got you covered. They got you covered with some shower gel, really modern. Slippers in case you forgot is here. This, in case you wanna, you're probably not gonna need it because again, you're on vacation, you're not counting calories. Got nice modern towels here, and then you have your separate toilet and shower. So here, in case you run out of toilet paper, you never know. And then you have your shower here, which is really spacious, and again, super modern. So far, it's really clean, a really clean hotel and really clean room. No complaints. You got a nice big mirror. What's up? And then you have a TV in case you want to watch TV. But again, you're on vacation, you don't want to watch TV. But you do get a nice TV here and your nice king size bed here. This is the suite area, which again, if you have a big family, you have that pull-out couch. You can fit another 2-3 people in there. And then you have another TV and the bar area. If you reserve this room with the VIP package, all this is free. All this, you can open this up. Try every single one if you want. And then you get your coffee maker and all that. And then this fridge right here is stacked up. This is gonna be filled every day when they do room service. So you have your water, you have your traditional Presidente, the Dominican Republic beer, you have Coors Light, Heineken, pretty cool, and you have candy. So this gets refilled every single day. TV, and they even give you a nice little note when you come in, so you feel very welcome. And then you're left with some champagne. This is on the house. Again, this is an all-inclusive Finest Excellence Resort, which is pretty nice. And then you get your nice jacuzzi here. Private, really, really private. As we head outside, you're gonna have a nice little sitting area. You can lay down on the right, or if you're in the jacuzzi and you wanna just lay out here, you can look at that nice, beautiful ocean view. But the tour's not over. There's a lot more up here. Let's go. So whether you're in a resort for family time or something romantic, you got your own little private pool here. You got a shower here in case you came from the beach. Nice little beanbag. And then look at this. This is all for you. So if you came with a family, this would be great. If you wanted something romantic, something private, this is all for you. You get your pool, nice seating area here. There's no one above you. And next door, it's all glass covered. And look at this view. Look at this view. Finest Excellence, Punta Cana. And then you got your main area here. Let's go. Finest Excellence, Punta Cana. If you have any questions, let me know. I know when I was going through TikTok and YouTube trying to see how this room looked before I booked it, this is how it looks. If you have any questions, let me know. Be safe. Time to get this party started.